Hello, welcome to our tutorial on adding price tables to your website's design with Dotcom. Are your customers facing challenges while understanding the pricing information displayed on your website? Adding a price table on your website makes it easy for your customers to effortlessly view the pricing and draw a comparison between different pricing plans. Navigate to the desired theme page in your Dotcom account and click Elements. Drag and drop the price table element to the design canvas. Hover over the dropped element, price table element, container column, container row. 1. Price table element. Click the edit icon on the element. The customization panel loads on your screen with 3 tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. Let's start with the Content tab first. On expanding the ribbon, you can adjust the visibility, text, and position of this component on the table. Next, expand the title to add a suitable title for the price table. Followed by that, add the description here. Now that the text section is done, expand the divider component to configure its style, width, and alignment. Expand the pricing component. Here, you can customize the currency symbol, price, sale visibility, original price, price period, and alignment. Next, add the features in the Features section. Finally, configure the characteristics of your button like the button type, text, link, width, and alignment. Switch to the Style tab. Here also you can adjust the style parameters of each component separately. For instance, you can expand the title or description section and adjust its corresponding style parameters. Expand the divider section to configure the color and height of the divider. To adjust the style parameters of the pricing component, expand this section. Here, you can customize the typography, color, and padding of the component. Along with that, you can customize the style parameters associated with currency symbol, original price, and price period. Next, let's adjust the style parameters of the features component like the typography, color, alignment, and padding. Now, expand the button component to configure their style parameters in normal mode and hover effect. Finally, you can alter the style parameters of the ribbon component where you can adjust the typography, color, and border values. Switch to the Advanced tab. Here, you can adjust the margin, padding, and width of the price table for different screen types. Further, you can fill in the Z-index, CSS ID, and CSS classes. Next, expand the background section. Here, you can configure the background parameters of the price table element in normal mode and the hover effect. Here you can set the background type as color or image. Along with that, you can set the radius and box shadow values. Now, expand the border section. Here, you can customize the border type, border color, and border width for normal and hover modes separately. The next section is visibility, where you can hide this price table on desktop, tablet, or mobile screens with the swipe of a toggle. 2. Container column. Click the edit icon. Go to the Content tab. Here, adjust the different column parameters like column width, column gap, and alignment for different screen types. Switch to the Style tab. It has 2 modes, normal and hover. Here, you can customize different style parameters for the background and border for each mode separately. Under the Advanced tab, customize the margin, padding, and visibility of the container column. 3. Container row. Hover over the edit icon and click it. Like the container column, you can customize the content, style, and advanced settings here. Select the Content tab. Here, you can adjust the content width, height, row gap, column position, vertical align, and HTML tag. Switch to the Style tab. It has normal and hover tabs. Under each mode, configure the background and border customizations of the container row. Navigate to the Advanced tab. Here, you can customize the margin and padding. Configure the responsive. Finally, adjust the visibility on different screens, desktop, tablet, and mobile. That is all about the container row in the price table element. In addition to the above customizations, you can also carry out general customizations on your price table element. Here, you can change the position of the element, add new containers, or delete the element with the click of a button. Save the changes and click Preview to see the updated design. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with designing your website. If you have any queries or concerns, please reach out to our implementation specialist or contact our support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching.